Picture the scene. You've just got your old guitar out the loft. It looks beautiful. You're a bit big in the day, doing lots of gigs, getting in the paper. You're thinking you might want to play again, but you don't fancy dragging that big old Marshall out the loft. Well, hey, we got this for you to look at today. It's awesome. This is the Katana Mini Run VT. Welcome back. The first thing we're going to go through on this awesome little amp is the controls and the inputs. First of all, we've got the input jack here. Self-explanatory, that's where you plug your guitar in. Gain, that's the gain for the channel, so you can create a bit of overdrive with this knob. These are the characters of the channel that you can choose, so you've got 3 available. Clean, self-explanatory, does your clean sounds. The gain will work on the clean, so you can just get a little bit more colour to it if you want. But then you've got your crunch sound, that is like the blues setting, and then they call it brown, which is more your metal tones, and the tone section and the delay section. So got your bass, your middle and your treble. Delay, time control and your level control. It is actually quite a nice analog delay sound in my opinion. All of these circuits here only affect the guitar, so if you're using the aux input to play along to a backing track, these don't affect the sound of your aux input, they only affect the guitar. So in fact what you would do is you would get a level that you're happy with, put it in the input at the back, and you'd use this volume knob to blend your guitar up like a mixer. This is the reverse side of the unit with your 2 input jacks. They're mini jack inputs here, aux input, and here a cabinet voiced headphone output. Okay, thanks for bearing with all that. Now we're going to do a few sound tests just to give you an idea of what the Katana's capable of. I've used a single coil guitar, which is more akin to maybe what a beginner would use for a bit more of a realistic view, so nothing too hot on the pickup side, so we'll see what you think. This is clean with minimal gain. Clean with mid gain. This is clean maximum gain, showing a bit of breakup. Crunch with minimal gain. This is crunch middle gain. Crunch maximum gain. Brown character, minimal gain. Brown middle. Brown full gain. Well, what can I say? A very versatile little unit, as you heard, can do a various variety of tones. 7 watts in power, doesn't sound a lot, but it's big enough for most people's bedrooms, and it actually sounds quite loud in this room when it's turned right up. I recorded it with just the video mic straight in the front of the thing, and no messing about with other effects. What you heard is the unit. I'm going to show you in the next segment how to wire it up so you can play along to a backing track to your laptop or other mobile device, and I'm actually going to then do that so you can see how that works. We're going to record it through the back of the Katana on the headphone voiced cabinet output straight into my interface on the computer. On to the next segment. Before I start jamming along with the Katana Mini, I'm just going to show you how to connect it up to your computer. On the back, as I showed you earlier, you've got your aux input there. I've just got one of those curly jack to jack leads. You plug it in your headphone output like so, and you're good to go. If you want to just do it through the speaker, you connect your guitar there and that's fine. If you want to record the output of your jam session into your interface, you just need another similar mini jack. Plug it in here, the headphone output. That will cut the speaker off as well. And then the other end just put into your interface. So it's as simple as that.